Hey, Shalom, Yahweh Bahashim Shai Barakatha, giving all praise and all glory unto Yahweh Bahashim Shai. Yahweh being the name of the one true God of the Bible, Yahweh, and his only begotten Son, Yahweh Shai, the one that the world ignorantly calls Jesus Christ. Giving all praise and all glory unto Yahweh Bahashim Shai Bahashim Hachodash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of great millstone that rule well, and Shalom to you, Akim, that be teaching this word in faith and in truth and sincerity. And this is just going to be a quick video, man. I'm sure we all know by now what's going down in America. You know, these prophecies are coming to pass. Second Ezra, the 9th chapter, for example. Many things are going off right now, but, you know, I just wanted to do a little short video on this clip I saw that's posted on Russia Today with some dude walking around through the protests in a Batman costume. And, you know, it's a prime example of Ecclesiastes 10 and 6, which says, folly is set in great dignity and the rich sit in no place. You know, this really is folly, but at the end of the day, it's some funny shit. So I'll just play it and just have a laugh at this, man. So let's play this video. Yeah, some funny shit right there. But, you know, at the end of the day, Babylon the Great is fallen, you know, as the scriptures say, if Satan be divided against Satan, how can his house stand? Roughly paraphrasing. So what we're witnessing right now is the downfall of Babylon the Great, and this is just the beginning of sorrows. So, you know, stay in the spirit, keep praying, keep watching, and stay in the faith, man. Shalom for now.